In the Netherlands, a silent revolution is taking place right now. The Dutch are introducing an innovative electronic payment system, the world's first e-ticket for all modes of public transport for an entire country, called the OV-chip card. From 2009, this will be the only valid public transport ticket. Passengers will be able to use this smart card when travelling anywhere in the country by train, tram, metro, bus or ferry, operated by more than 20 public transport organisations.
Introducing electronic ticketing and introducing a smart card is actually very small and very big at the same time. Whole of the Netherlands, every Dutch will have a smart card sooner or later, within 2 years. We've started this project with the idea that we should choose a proven system, a system which has done its work already around the world. The system should be so good that people want to have it themselves.
Using this single smart card makes travelling much easier and faster. No more queuing at long lines at a ticket gate or last-minute scrambles for small change, as you can now travel anywhere in the country. The passenger can place the contactless card in front of electronic scanners and have their fares calculated and deducted automatically from their accounts.
Passenger benefits, that's what it's all about. And the idea is very simple. One ticket for all public transport modes. It's a very easy thought, but that's all what it is.
TransLink Systems was established in 2002 by 5 shareholders: NS, the national rail operator; RET, the Rotterdam municipal operator; GVB, the Amsterdam municipal operator; Connection, a national bus operator; and HTM, the Hague municipal operator. Together, they provide over 80% of the public transport in the Netherlands. Other parties involved in introducing the smart card are the Dutch government, the provinces, and large city administrations. When assigned with the task of turning the vision of the nationwide e-ticketing system into reality, TransLink Systems was looking for experienced partners from the industry. Ultimately, the organization chose a consortium to design, develop and implement a unified electronic ticketing and payment system. Each member is experienced in this area and brings complementary skills to the so-called East-West Consortium.
When we were selecting East-West ticketing services, we were sure that we had a partner that done it before and actually made one of the best examples of e-ticketing so far.
The shareholders of this consortium are Thales and Vialis, with the following key associates: Accenture, MTR Corporation and Octopus Cards.
Accenture has developed a business model for the e-ticketing industry. The value of the business model is that it serves as a good starting point and it describes the complete universe of e-ticketing. It helps the clients and the programs to ensure that there's consistency in all the roles and all the tasks that are needed to be provided for the final working e-ticketing solution.
TransLink Systems headquarters are located in the town of Amersfoort in the centre of Holland, which symbolises its independence from regional companies. Its operational services organisation was established under the supervision of Accenture and is based on the existing business model. A complete range of services was launched and is now being delivered to TransLink Systems clients. These include clearing and settlement, card operations and card holder services, security and IT services, as well as integration and certification support to the various transport operators and new vendors who are entering the scheme. Accenture, for its part, is playing a major role in program management and the coordination of system delivery. The company handles the integration of the system's technology infrastructure and supports the service operations activities of TransLink Systems in Amersfoort. The central clearinghouse system is linked to the central e-ticketing systems of the public transport operators and the relevant financial organizations. The system receives all the data captured by the different operators' systems. This data enables the central clearinghouse system to effect payments between the public transport organizations, management of the automatic uploading of the OV-chipkaart, and the registration and communication of invalid cards.
In comparison to the current system, we clear and settle revenues of the public transport quicker and more efficient. Travel today is getting your revenue in by tomorrow.
The OV-chipkaart will be the only valid public transport ticket from 2009. This reflects a volume of 13 million passengers, making 4 to 5 million transactions a day and 1.4 billion trips a year. An estimated turnover of €2 billion annually will be cleared and settled. OV-chipkaarts not only make travelling faster and easier, using them is also more cost-effective than issuing paper tickets on a per-trip basis. And they provide public transport operators with valuable information about who is travelling, where and when. Information they can use to continuously improve service and add value.
Today, public transport operators have only an estimated view on the amount of people that travel with them. They only have some idea of when they travel. With an e-ticketing system, they know exactly on a daily basis where people travel, how far they travel, and what the load on the passenger flow is, and therefore they can manage it like a business.
Clearly, the new technologies coming along provide a very strong basis for change in this industry. Smart cards will be rolled out across the world as the key thing in the way people pay. But it creates a lot of new opportunities in terms of customer service, CRM, information on travelers.
This project is not about a ticket for public transport. It is not about a smart card. It is about transforming the relationship between the provider of public transport and the travelling customer. The real complexity lies not in the technology, but in understanding the value of the services to be offered to customers and in delivering those services.
The Dutch system is one of the fastest implementations ever. Since 2005, the Rotterdam area has started operations with connection and RET. In 2006, the OV-chipkaart will be introduced in the Netherlands for all trains, public transport in the Randstad area, and a large part of the regional public transport system.
Our role in this industry is to help make this change happen in a successful way. This change is big, and many public transport operators and authorities are not used to such changes.
This platform is the key to enabling a variety of entirely new business models and services and markets. In terms of mobility services, we can already begin to see a convergence between the systems that support e-ticketing for public transport and solutions used for road user charging. This enables, in fact, an integrated transport solution combining both private and public transport.